Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I have a deal for you today from Amazon. This is a highly requested one. I will have that paint organizer for you guys tomorrow. But as soon as I saw this deal, I just remembered all the requests I've been getting. So I am putting it out there for you. And if you don't know yet, I do have a separate YouTube channel called Tina's Daily Deals for deals like this where you simply put a code or clip a coupon, and I do upload daily. So be sure to check that out. And if you like what you see, be sure to join the family. I will put the link to the channel along with the link to the product and the code down in the description box. So it's an easy click, and I didn't even upload this over there yet. So you guys are literally getting a sneak peek. Now let's go ahead and get started. Here we have this epoxy resin crystal clear art. It's a 1 gallon kit, and this has great reviews, and this is listed for $79.99. We're not paying that. Click that coupon, put in the code, and we're getting it for only $43.99. And if you use tons of resin, I know it adds up. So I hope this helps. Till next time, love you all. Bye.